Okay, mechanics, here we go. We are testing a penetrant today against our classic WD-40 that we all love and have in our tool shop. So today we're going to test it against PB Blaster. This is a penetrant only. This is a multi-purpose WD-40, water displacement, penetrant, lubricant. And just for fun, we're bringing in Jigaloo. Jigaloo is not a penetrant, so we're going to see how it works out. It is a lubricant, and its claim to fame is that it's a non-petroleum lubricant, so it doesn't have the same smell that these other two have. So let's check it out and see who the winner is. So we all love WD-40. We're familiar with the brand. What many people don't realize is that WD stands for water displacement. As we read the history of this product, it was designed for spraying onto parts to avoid corrosion and rusting. So it displaces the water and creates a protective layer. It works as a lubricant, and this is an all-purpose lubricant, penetrant, and water displacement formula. In this case, this was their 40th water displacement formula, according to their website. We're putting it up against a true penetrant. It's been around since 1957, PB Blaster, one of my household favorites, or garage favorites. And then we have here to the other side, this isn't a penetrant, so it may not be a fair test. We have an all-in-one penetrant lubricant in WD-40. We have a true penetrant in PB Blaster. And then we have a lubricant in Jigaloo. And Jigaloo, what they promote is this is a non-petroleum product. So this is promoted for interior use. It doesn't have that petroleum smell, which is wonderful. If you've got a squeaky closet door, this is what they recommend using. We're going to test all of these for their penetrating capability. So no, it may not be a fair test, but what we're going to do, and behind this I've got liquid poured out into containers, and we're going to set bolts in those containers and watch the penetration. Essentially watch it crawl up the threads of the bolt. This indicates the penetrating capability of it. And there's a trick of the eye here because PB Blaster is orange and the others are completely clear. We do have the levels even, and when we take the bolts out, we're going to show you, I've got a couple rusty screwdriver bits, and place those in as well, and show you again how it lifts up. Of course, when it lifts up on those bits, it's not fighting through the threads of the bolt. It's going to lift up smooth, but we're going to give you both those examples to view here to see which one wins the race, if you will. Here are the three rusty drill bits that we'll be using. They will clearly show the liquid as it crawls up them. Here we are with the three bolts. These are a little thicker than the drill bits, of course. So the liquid, the penetrant, and the lubricants should struggle a little bit to fight up these, but I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out. Who will win the race? So we're going to give you a real close-up on this, and we're going to get it from the top. So we're going to tip these cans down so you can see which product is in each as we put the bolts and the drill bits into each one of them. So we've got these topped up. You'll be able to see the PB Blaster is clearly a very bright yellowy orange liquid. WD-40 is clear liquid, and so is the Jigaloo. Here we go. And the race is on. We have a clear winner for the penetration test, and that is PB Blaster. Now, PB Blaster, in all fairness to these other products, is a true penetrating fluid. WD-40, in this instance, we've chosen the multi-purpose one. So it's a water displacement, it's a penetrant, and a lubricant. And Jigaloo, as we talked about before, is a non-petroleum based lubricant. It is not sold as a penetrant. Still held its own. WD-40 started to catch up near the end, but PB Blaster is the clear winner for penetration in this case. So if you're working at home, you've got a garage, you want to have a good penetrant for your bolts, you're working on some old equipment, I highly recommend the PB Blaster based on this test. I'll never go without my WD-40 in the house, and I'm also a big fan of Jigaloo. They all have different purposes, so this is just a bit of a fun experiment to show you how to test the penetration component specifically. But all of them work quite well, just for different purposes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our latest videos.